Okay, children, welcome to Let's Be Friends Part 4. The last period, in Part 3, we did learn something about Hari, Raghu, and their trip, their picnic to seaside. All that we did learn in our last period, and I hope you completed your homework which was given in the last period. Today I want to listen you the lesson, and you just look at the lesson by using your index finger. On that day the sun shone bright, and all the children were wild with excitement. They crowded into a train and sat down, but nobody wanted to sit next to Hari because he always pinched them. When they arrived at the seaside, all the children jumped out with a shout of joy. Down to the sands they raced hand in hand, but nobody took Hari's hand. Nobody went near him. Hari was angry. He went to an isolated sandy corner near a rocky pool and sat down by himself. He took out his lunch and looked at it. Wow, it is a good lunch. There were 2 hard-boiled eggs, 6 jam sandwiches, 3 pieces of bread and butter, a ginger cake, and a bar of chocolate. He would eat it all by himself. He would not offer anything to anyone. Just as he was beginning with an egg, he heard a hoarse voice near him. "Good morning. I am pleased to meet a boy like you." Hari turned around and stared in fright. Okay, children, try to learn these meanings. I will say them and try to follow them. Meanings. Shone, prakashinchenu. Excitement, utsahanga. Crowded, kikkirisina. Arrived, చేరెను. Sand, ఇసుక. Raced, పోటీ పడుతూ. Isolated, ఒంటరిగా. Pool, కొలను. Rocky, రాళ్లతో ఉన్న. జింజర్ కేక్, అల్లము రబ్బ. ఆఫర్, ఇవ్వజూపుట. హోర్స్, బొంగురు పోయిన. ప్లీజ్డ్, ఇష్టపడిన. స్టేర్డ్ తీక్షణంగా చూసెను. ఫ్రైట్ భయం. Okay children, now just try to understand the meaning of the lesson. Be careful. All the children went for a picnic. You know, already we knew that. They went to a picnic to the seaside. They planned to go for a picnic to the seaside. Very good. How did they go, you know? Yes, they went to the seaside in a train. They went to the seaside in a train. And the train started. Chuk 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 chuk, just like that. All the children sat next to one another. But you know that? But who is alone? Yes, Hari was alone. Because no one could ready to sit next to Hari. No one could sit next to Hari. Why did no one allow to sit Hari? Can anyone guess? Yes, because he always pinched. That's why all the children avoided him, so that Hari sat alone. In this way, the train journey started through the fields, on the bridges and the valleys. At last, they reached the seaside. At last, where did they reach? Yes, they reached or they arrived seaside. You know how the weather is? Yes, the climate was so pleasant. The climate was very pleasant. And you know that the sun shone bright. The sun shone brightly. It means there was no rain. All the climate is very nice. In this way, at last, they got down the train and reached the seaside. Whenever they reached the seaside, all the children were jumped out with a shout of joy. Jumped out with a shout of joy. And you know that all the children raced hand in hand. All the children raced hand in hand. But you know children, here again Hari was kept alone. Why? You know that? Yes. No one can take Hari's hand. No one can take Hari's hand. And everyone was very far to him. No one could come near to him. No one can near to him. Why did everyone keep him away? Can anyone guess? Yes, he is a naughty boy and he pinched all the children. That's why all the children kept him away. So Hari was very angry, and also he sat down by himself. You know where did he sit? Where did he sit? Yes, he sat near a rocky pool. He sat near a rocky pool. At that time, he has no friends to talk. So that he took out his lunch. He took out his lunch. Children, you know how the lunch is? Yes, it's yummy and also it's a good and delicious lunch. Do you know what are there in the lunch? What are there in the lunch box? Do you know? Yes. Let me listen. What are they in the lunch box? Two hard-boiled eggs. 2 hard-boiled eggs. Next, very good. 6 jam sandwiches. And what are they? Yes, 3 pieces of bread and butter. And next, what is there? A ginger cake. And not only ginger cake, a bar of chocolate is also there in the box. All the box is filled with delicious food. But here a sad incident to Hari. What is that? You know? Yes, because no one beside him. No one beside him. Anyway, he would eat it all by himself. He would eat it all by himself. At that time, he started eating. Opened his lunch box and started eating. What did he start, you know? What did he start with? Yes, he started with an egg. At the time when he was beginning with an egg, you know, a voice is there. He heard a voice. Whose voice it? Can anyone guess? You don't know? Okay, we will learn in our next lesson. But what did the voice say, you know? He was the person or the creature, what it may be, whose voice said that he was so pleased to meet a boy like Hari. Whenever he heard the harsh voice, Hari turned around and stared afraid of that. Actually, what was there? Why did he frightened? Why did Hari fright? This will be learnt in our next period. Thank you. Opposite words: shine, fade, bright, dull, joy, sorrow, near, far, angry, peaceful, offer, withdraw, hoarse, melodious. Okay, children, now let us talk. I want to talk to you. You try to talk to me. If it is possible, say in English. Otherwise, you may say in Telugu also. Okay? Very good. How were the children all the day? How were the children all the day? Yes. The children were excited. The children were excited. Did anyone sit next to Hari? Yes, no. Very good, very good. No one sit next to Hari. Why did no one want to sit next to Hari? Why did no one want to sit next to Hari? Yes, because he always pinched. He always pinched. Why did nobody go near to Hari? Again, very good. The same response. Because if he went near to Hari, he pinched. He may pinch. He may pinch. So that no one can go near to Hari. Where did Hari sit? Where did Hari sit? Yes, Hari sat an isolated sandy corner near a rocky pool. An isolated sandy corner near a rocky pool. What were there in the lunch? What were there in the lunch? Oh, yes. 2 boiled eggs, 6 jam sandwiches. Very good. 3 pieces of bread and butter. Okay. Next. A ginger cake. Then next. Very good. A bar of chocolate. A bar of chocolate. Did he offer his lunch to anyone? Yes. No, he did not offer his lunch to anyone. If you were in Hari's place, would you offer anything to anyone? If you were in Hari's place, would you offer anything to anyone? Yes, very good. That's my children. That is good manners. Very good. And what we have to do? Very good. We have to share something what we had. We have to share something what we had. What was he beginning to eat in lunch? What was he beginning to eat in lunch? Very good. He was beginning with an egg. He was beginning with an egg. What did Hari hear? What did Hari hear? Yes. Hari heard a hoarse voice. A hoarse voice. Can anyone guess whose voice it was? No one can guess. Just turn your page, go to page 8, then you can expect something. Yes, there are some creatures are there. Look at them. The voice may belong to the creatures. Very good. Okay, children, today's homework. Just read the lesson 1 or 2 times. Read the lesson 1 or 2 times. And then next write the meanings in your notebooks. Write the meanings in your notebooks and opposite words also. Write the opposite words. And answer the questions. I will write it on the board or on the screen. Make it copy them in your notebooks and write down the answers and show to your teacher. Okay, thank you. Along with this, today's session is over. Bye children. Bye.